guys, so sorry if I sound so nasally. I have a cold and it's so annoying, but we're doing Dia De Los Muertos today, and just to start it off, I have foundation on already. It's one of my lightest shades, even though you can't even tell because your girl is so pale. I do add a little bit more because I want it to be full coverage and a little thick. I'm not doing like the traditional white paint on my face. I wanted to make it a little different. So what we're doing is I just grabbed some gel eyeliner. I got this in my BoxyCharm box. I wanted something that was gel because I wanted it to be easy to blend. So a lot of my other eyeliners were super matte and I couldn't even blend them out. Ignore that little part where I mess up. I clean all that up and I'm putting flowers around the eye, so I don't really care about how the edges look. This was so hard to film. Look at that. You can even tell. It was so hard for me to do. This is my second time filming this, so I eventually got the hang of it, you know, but basically what I do is I start filling it in on the edges slowly. I have really thick eyebrows, so the way I make it fade into like a sunsetty look, because I have these colors in mind, but I didn't really know how I was going to go about it because my eyebrows are so thick and I don't want a fully black eye. What I did was I filled out the black and then smudged them out. You guys know I'm not that good at makeup, but I like doing it, so just bear with me. I take a dark brown and I start blending it in. I'm trying to give it that fading look into the colors that I have in mind. So we start off black, go into a dark brown, and you'll see me go back and forth filling in the places that need to be filled. I kind of do like a rough draft of it and then fix everything at the end. So with my Nubian palette, one of my Nubian palettes, I grab, it's like a toasty orange, and just put that on the eyelid, underneath the lash line. Then I grab the brown again and just keep going back and forth. I just keep going back and forth until everything looks good to me. So like I said, I do the rough draft and then clean it up. We're gonna add a little bit of gold on the center of the eyelid. By the way, I've been wanting to do Dia De Los Muertos for a long time, but I never felt confident enough, even though this is like not even like super creative. I've seen really creative ones, but this is creative for me because I don't really do Halloween makeup, so this is a step into my creativity. Just grabbing some lashes. I actually got this in my BoxyCharm box as well. I'm gonna link down below what kind of lashes they are. Look how cute they are. And I fix them later on because they start coming off in the center. So I got these flowers from Walmart, and this is what I'm using to put around my eye. I just add lash glue around my eye. I couldn't think of anything else that would be fine for my eyebrows because I'm not trying to pull out that hair. So I added little diamonds in the middle of the flowers. It was like a pack at Walmart. It's like $1. They stick on, so it's perfect. Like this video if you guys think I'm doing good so far. I was a little nervous on putting this up, but if you guys need something easy and quick, this is perfect. And I know this is the last weekend before Halloween, so I know you guys are going to Halloween parties and you need something last minute. I definitely think you should give this a go. Then I have these little pearl looking objects here. This was like $1 at Walmart as well. Everything is so budget friendly. You guys know I love budget friendly stuff, so they have adhesive on them, so you can just go ahead and stick them right on, which is so convenient. I didn't even really know where I was going with this. I was just going with it. I didn't even know what the heck I was doing. Now I'm grabbing some blush just to put on the apples of my cheeks. I saw so many different ones on Pinterest, so I was trying to get ideas, and I really liked one of them that I saw with the blushed look. It was super cute. So guys, bear with me on this part. The white liner that I had was not pigmented at all. I was so frustrated, but I was like, I need to make this work. So this was actually the hardest part for me. I just do the line anyways, and then I grab a brownish, like a contour color, and I start carving it out on the edges to make it look like it is like coming up a little bit. And then you'll see that I blend that out a little later to, I don't know, give it like that 3D look. I was super focused. Super focused. It's not that bad, you know, but it could have been better. But you know, this is something fast, quick to do, so I thought it came out pretty good, for me at least. Once again, don't forget to like this video if you think I did a good job. Next, I believe this is like a NYX liner. No, actually it's Milani. Yeah. So I looked for a color that was kind of close with the colors of my eyes. And then I did white lines on the lips. Obviously that could have looked better, but you know, something quick and easy, not that much effort. And then I go ahead and add the little pearl stickers onto my lips. Made up something there, and I think this look came out so cute, guys. Quick, easy, and budget friendly. Don't forget to subscribe. Please comment down below what you guys would like to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.